Hey guys, listen, I'm trying to figure out where is the best place in my apartment to freaking film, because honestly, there is no freaking area that's gonna hold my stuff. I'm going through a lot. Okay, let me see. I'm so sorry guys, this is so ratchet. Let me just hold this. Guys, welcome back to my channel, It's been forever, and if you are hearing a sound right now, it is the bathroom fan up there. Can you see that? Yeah, that's the bathroom fan. Let me actually hold this. Let me hold this like a freaking selfie stick or whatever you call them. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I know it's been forever. I've honestly, lockdown has been shitty. I don't know how you guys have been dealing with the lockdown, this quarantine. Listen, I said let me throw a damn wig on to look presentable. I was rocking my little TWA all day, but guys, lockdown's been crazy for me personally, in terms of my mental health, in terms of my situation and everything. So I haven't really had the time or the mental stability to film any videos. But me and Kaden have finally moved into our apartment. We moved into a new city, so yeah, we are finally on our own. The pictures that you saw on my thumbnail are the generic pictures, the showroom pictures of the apartment complex that I saw online, that I absolutely fell in love with, because I feel like it's just such an easy, it's a small apartment and it's easy to furnish, and it's a wonderful startup. I am definitely going to film a video about what you need when you move into an apartment, guys. I thought 16K would be enough to move in, but it was not, because literally me and Kate have a bed in the damn fridge right now. But that's okay, because everybody needs to start somewhere, and I'm a single mom and I'm trying to make it out there and do the best that I can for my son. So I know that everything is going to come, God willing, with time, and before you know it, guys, I'll be doing a furnished apartment tour. But for now, bear with me. I've been so busy. I've started a new job. I work from home. I'm in telesales, so it's pretty hectic. I really don't have time, and at the end of the day, I'm a mom and Caden's at home with me. So after work, I have to clean the apartment and cook and make sure he has dinner and he's sorted out. So it's been really hard for me to get to filming. But I will definitely, like I said, film a video about what you need when you move into an apartment, and what I personally got, the essentials that I personally got when I moved into an apartment. Like honest, not no YouTube bullshit. People want to act like they're gonna move in and they have everything sorted out. Not everybody's life is not like that. And I said on my channel, we're gonna be 100% transparent. So, and then I have a Acer Spin 1 review that's coming out this weekend, where they reached out to me to do a review on my channel. I'm really excited about that. So you guys are gonna see the unboxing on Saturday. And then next week, after I have spent some time using it, I'm really going to give my opinion about how I feel about the laptop. I'm not a tech person, so I'm going to be speaking on the fact that I'm just a woman using a laptop and does it fit in my handbag, and so on and so forth. So yeah, guys, so tonight this is just a simple vlog. You know, I'm in my pajamas, looking crusty, baby, but the skin is popping. Let's discuss that though. The skin is popping, baby. You know what, baby? The skin is popping with that hair wet. But yeah, as y'all can see, the wig is not redone. But anyways, I wore this wig for you guys, not for me. And I'm cooking dinner. So I made some rusty potatoes with some beef and salad, a ready-made salad though, that I got from Checkers. Everything I got is from Checkers. So guys, I do live in South Africa. If y'all don't have Checkers, you guys can use the recipe that I used and incorporate what you guys have wherever you are watching this from. So yeah, guys, so if you're here watching this video right now, like this video, share this video if you care, subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post a new video. And guys, it's free. It's free and it's gonna help your girl, so what you waiting for? Alright guys, so let's head on to the cooking portion of this. I'm gonna show you guys what I did to my food and pop it in the oven, and then once it's cooked, I'm gonna show you how it looks. And then I'm gonna hop in the shower, get in my bikini, and I'm gonna wash my hair for y'all. I'm gonna show you guys what I do to this TWA to try and control and retain it. If you've got 4C hair, you know what I'm talking about. So pieces. Okay guys, so this is basically what I'm trying to have for dinner. It's about 7:30 in the night, and honestly I'm exhausted as hell. The Wi-Fi has been off the whole day, so I have some time to catch up with my laundry and all of that. So, and then I'm gonna have which is like a simple salad that I got at the store today. I got this at Checkers. I think it was $30. And then these are just normal potatoes that I really cut into smaller diced cubes per se. And this is some beef. And then I just marinated. Actually, let me show you what I used. I used the same barbecue sauce that I used on the beef, on the potatoes, and then I put in some Italian herbs, and of course some salt. You cannot have too much seasoning, and then oil, just so that the seasoning can stick on the potatoes properly. And then basically for the beef, I used some salt, and then I also used the same barbecue spice. And then because I love sticky marinade, I got this really nice sticky marinade from Checkers, and I'm about to pop it in the oven. My phone is taking forever to update, so I thought I was gonna let it update a bit and I'm gonna film my video, but it's taking too damn long. Okay, and I'm too damn tired. So I preheated the oven, and it was preheating forever because my phone is updating, as I said. But I used the 2 double lines over here, and then I'm gonna put it on 150 degrees. Can you guys see that? Let me do that. 150 degrees Celsius, and then since it was preheating already, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop that in. I don't have time for this update. Take it forever. So that's my dinner for tonight. Hopefully I can film my wash day routine. Sorry about that. While this is slowly cooking to perfection in the oven. So yeah. Okay guys, so I went up to 200 degrees, as you can see that. So let me show you how it's looking. Ooh! How it's looking so far. Absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to sink into that. But I'm just going to reduce the heat now to, let's say, about, I don't know, what's between 50 and 100, like a 60 and 70? Because they are middle point. Like, I'm not trying to be here getting laughed at for incorrect maths, but this is how it looks. And it's absolutely delicious. I can't wait to eat. I'm hungry. Alright guys, I think it's done. I did use my fork to kind of pierce through the potatoes to see if they were done, and they are. I don't want the meat to get super dry because these are really thinly sliced pieces of beef. But yeah, just to make sure that it's cooked, you just need to just like poke all the way through. Like, I don't want super soft mushy potatoes. I still want a little crunch in that. But yeah, this is how it looks, guys. It looks absolutely delicious. I'm sure you guys can hear Caden's nursery school song in the background there. So I'm gonna have that and a salad. I actually, you know what, I didn't put any non-stick at the bottom. You know, as I drained the potatoes, there was a little bit of water at the bottom. So I just threw everything in there just to make sure that nothing stuck. So yeah, I did not use any type of oil, and obviously the beef has some fat in it. So when the heat hits it, it how can you say, not bleed, but it melts into the bottom of the oven dish. So guys, yeah, let me just plate up my food, and then I'm gonna have some dinner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair because I'm extremely tired and I am ready to be getting into damn bed, okay? So guys, this is how my plate looks. I'm about to go have some dinner. I just want to show you guys. I absolutely love tangy mayonnaise, guys. I literally, I'm trying to hold my lighting with my chin, but I literally, my charger, sorry. I literally eat everything with tangy mayonnaise. Everything, literally. It's like an obsession, but I just had to get my lighting so that you can just see how delicious that looks. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to dig in. All right, let me eat my food and then wash my hair.
Mr. Producer.
Love, I love the way you get it.
Okay guys, so I just got out the shower. I just put my towel on so my hair can dry at least 75, not even 75, honestly I'm tired, 60%. And then I'm gonna go in with the dark and lovely Afro moisturizing butter. And then you guys, obviously if you've been on my channel for a while, you know I love this Marc Anthony, this Marc Anthony argan oil that I use on my wigs, on my own hair, because it's very light and it's not super weighed down, and I just don't like super oily oils that just go everywhere on my bed, on my clothes. So I'm gonna put the tripod down somewhere. It's gonna be an awkward angle, but guys, I'm literally just still trying to figure out my filming arrangements here because it's the pets. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and you guys are gonna be looking up my nose. I'm sorry. They're looking up my nose. Are they looking up my nose? So yeah, I'm just gonna go in with this amount, and you'll see that. It's not much. And then that's how it works for me, guys. I cut my hair in February, and this is how long it is currently. It's growing pretty fast. I have a lot of shrinkage, as you guys can see. So then what I do is just tie my hair with a scarf.
A scarf?
Yep, a scarf. Just like this. So I tie my hair with a scarf, just like this. I hope you guys could see that. I feel like it just went black, whatever. So I put that, and then I tie my hair with a scarf, and then I add like a beanie over it for extra security, because you just don't know if it's gonna stay on or not. And then this is how I literally go to bed every night. So this is how I go to bed every night. Good morning, or shall I say good afternoon. I wanted to end off the video with just my wash day, and I'm like, no, that's messed up. But y'all guys, after my wash day, I had got into bed. I thought I was gonna film while I was lying down just to say goodnight, but your girl passed out. Your girl was tired. And I woke up this morning. We had some flooding situation in the estate, so everybody was just coming out of their apartments, feet drenched with buckets and mops in hand, trying to clean up the water. But that has subsided. That's being handled. And y'all guys, so yeah, let me know what you think, guys. This was my first ever vlog. Kate, you wanna come say hi?
Hi.
Oh. Say hi. Subscribe to my mommy's channel.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want them to subscribe to my channel?
Yeah.
Tell them to subscribe. Tell them to subscribe to mommy's channel. Say, become a subby. Say it. Okay. Guys, this was my first vlog. Please let me know what you think. If you guys want to see a lot more vlogs, let me know, because it's a lot more fun. It's less editing. I'm here for it, okay? So let me know what you think in the comments below, what you guys want to see more of me. Do you guys want a detailed wash day routine? Because I didn't do any voiceover. I just let you guys see what products I use. I didn't really go into details in terms of my hair journey and how it's going and all of that. If you guys want to see all of that, please let me know in the comment section below. And of course, if you are still with me right now, why haven't you subscribed yet? Why haven't you liked yet? Why have you not commented below yet? you're here, you might as well participate. And it's free, guys, and it helps your girl with the YouTube algorithm. Guys, I'm gonna catch you guys on the flip side. I'll see you in the next videos, which are what I wish I knew before I moved and what exactly you need